today we are doing a pink makeup look, super affordable of course and perfect for warm tone girlies, because honestly pink never used to suit me since it is usually more on the cool tone side, especially with eyeshadows. Like, pink looks really pretty, but I used to struggle with how to make it work on me. So we are doing a pink makeup look using only budget friendly and drugstore products. For my base, I'm using the Mars primer and then the Mars foundation in the shade 03. I use a lot of Mars products because I genuinely think they are great and affordable, budget friendly, and they still deliver beautiful formulas with so many variants. Even this brush set is also from Mars Cosmetics. Quality is really great. To lock everything in and make it last, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Makeup Fixer. It gives a matte finish, good for oily skin. Okay, so this is my favorite color corrector. It is from House of Makeup. I've shown this in my multiple videos already because honestly it is the only one I use. The formula is great, it blends like a dream and the coverage is on point. Like, look at how little I used and it is still giving flawless. To make it long lasting, I'm going in with a Mars setting powder, just a tiny bit to set my color corrector first. You really have to be gentle and light handed with it. Don't use too much powder because we are gonna add concealer too. We don't want the base getting cakey. This is also from Mars Cosmetics, shade 03. The formula is pretty thick and super high coverage, so I just use a tiny bit. Now don't immediately blend it, let it sit for a while. तब तक आप अपने brows कर सकते हो. For brows, I literally only use this palette from Swiss Beauty. Just damp it with your setting spray or even water and then fill them in. It works well with setting spray or water and gives you nicely filled brows. After finishing brows, I'm going to blend my concealer and set it in place. This is a concealer brush. It is also from Mars Cosmetics. I'm setting my under eyes with this Mars powder. It is so good, gives that blurred effect and lasts very long. This is a Blooming palette and I got the pink variant recently and I am so obsessed. Like, look at these shades, they're literally so pretty. And ये lilac वाला shade तो use कर करके मैंने इसमें गड्ढा ही कर दिया है. This is my favorite shade in the palette and it is just so gorgeous. This is what I'm applying on my lids. To add warmth to my lids, I'm using this orangish brown shade from Mars Cosmetics. I'm gonna blend it with the lilac shade and just look at how it transforms the look. It gives such a beautiful warm effect. It doesn't look all cool toned or grey on my skin because I warmed it up. Now it just balances the whole look. For the lower waterline, I'm using that same lilac and then adding the darkest brown to give a smoky vibe and make my eyes look bigger. I saw a slight orange tint from the color corrector, so I went in with a little extra concealer to fix it. Next, I'm picking up this stunning pink shimmer. Just look at it. The glitters catch the light so beautifully and the shine is unreal. I absolutely love it. I'm applying it with a tapping motion since it is so pigmented. I don't want to go all in at once. You can always build the color, that way the look doesn't get ruined. I'm taking this silver shimmer and popping it on my inner corners. See how it lights them up? It is giving the prettiest glow. I'm also brushing a bit on my Aegis for that soft sparkly finish. Now I'm gonna line my eyes. I've been so into liners these days, probably because of this one. The tip is super fine and precise, so it gives me full control and it is just so easy to work with. Totally love how clean and precise and neat the liner looks. I swear curling your lashes is a total game changer. It just makes the lashes look so much more awake before mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I don't even feel like trying others because this one just works so well for me. I'm clumping my lashes to make it more doll like. Now for the lips, I'm using this Mars Drip Lip Mist and trust me, ये color मैंने बहुत डरते डरते लिया था क्योंकि I have pigmented lips and pink शेड मुझ पे मैजेंटा लाइक बहुत ही गंदा सा लगता है. दिस इज बाय द वे इज मलबेरी ड्रिप. यूजुअली पिंक कलर्स मुझ पे पर्पलिश लगते हैं और वो बहुत ही गंदा लगता है, बिल्कुल मेरी टोन को सूट नहीं करता. ये वाला ज्यादा पर्पल नहीं लग रहा था जितने बाकी लगते हैं. ये वाला फिर भी अच्छा लगा मुझे, बट स्टिल आई वाज़न्ट सेटिस्फाइड बिकॉज आई वांटेड इट टू लुक गुड ऑन मी, सो आई वेंट अहेड विद this liner, you know, to warm it up, to warm the shade of this mulberry drip. This is also one of my favorites. It is from Mars Cosmetics in the shade Cinnamon Roll, and just look at it, just how pretty this lip combo looks. I think it is my new go-to favorite lip combo. I just know I'm gonna wear it all the time. Here I used a lip oil from Gigi Bear and this lip combo is so Bomb. This is my absolute go-to highlighter, the only one I use. It is from Makeup Revolution in the shade Diamond Glow. I'm not sure if it is still in stock, but I will check and link it in the description. Honestly, it is that good. Last time I looked, it was sold out, but if it is unavailable, I will make sure to link a similar option for you. This blush is from Mars Cosmetics in the shade Dusk. It is a gorgeous pink that's super flattering, easy to blend and really pigmented. I like to apply some on my nose as well. मुझे ब्लश थोड़ा कम लग रहा था तो मैंने थोड़ा और लगा लिया. Now finally we are gonna lock everything in with a setting spray and we're all done. This is how the makeup looks. It looks stunning. I really love how it turned out.